Have you ever wondered how prepared you really are for an unexpected emergency? Imagine a severe storm knocking out power for several days, supply chains being disrupted, or communication networks going offline. Most of us assume help will arrive quickly, but what if it doesn't? The reality is that emergency preparedness isn't about living in fear. It's about building confidence, staying calm, and knowing what to do when unexpected situations happen. Every year, families experience natural disasters, extended power outages, extreme weather events, and other emergencies that can interrupt daily life. In moments like these, having practical survival skills, an emergency plan, and the right knowledge can make a real difference. That's why more people are becoming interested in emergency preparedness, survival planning, and self-reliance. Instead of reacting with panic, they're learning practical ways to prepare before an emergency ever happens. One program that's getting attention is Dark Reset, a step-by-step survival guide created to help everyday people build practical preparedness skills. According to the creators, it focuses on realistic planning, mental resilience, emergency organization, and developing useful habits that may help families become more prepared for unexpected disruptions. Individual experiences will naturally vary. Unlike many survival resources that focus only on equipment, Dark Reset also emphasizes developing the right mindset. Staying calm, thinking clearly, and making informed decisions during stressful situations can be just as important as having emergency supplies. The program explores topics such as emergency preparedness, food storage, water preparedness, home security, disaster readiness, and practical survival planning. It encourages people to prepare responsibly without assuming that every emergency will become a worst-case scenario. Think about it for a moment. We regularly buy insurance for our homes and vehicles, yet many people never create a simple emergency plan for their families. Being prepared isn't about expecting disaster. It's about reducing uncertainty and feeling more confident if challenges arise. Whether you're interested in off-grid preparedness, learning basic survival skills, improving your family's emergency readiness, or simply becoming more self-reliant, starting with practical education can be a valuable first step. It's also important to remember that no survival program can guarantee outcomes in every situation. Real-world emergencies are unpredictable, and successful preparedness depends on many factors, including planning, practice, available resources, and individual circumstances. The creators of Dark Reset also state that results vary and the information is intended for educational purposes. If building practical survival knowledge, improving emergency preparedness, and developing greater self-reliance sound like goals you'd like to explore, you can learn more about Dark Reset using the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing one emergency preparedness tip that everyone should know. Your experience could help someone else become better prepared. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.